In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make any boat float realistically on an animated ocean surface. We'll focus on setting up the ocean modifier, adding wave motion, and making the boat move with the waves. So let's get started. Let's start by creating our ocean scene. Begin with adding a plane and apply an ocean modifier. Feel free to adjust the settings to achieve the desired look. Next, let's make your boat model float on the ocean. Add a plane and start shaping it the form of the boat. Now select your boat and add copy location and copy rotation constraints. Set the target to the plane and choose the vertex group we created earlier. Add a shrink wrap modifier to the plane. Change the wrap method to project and activate the Z-axis. Ensure the plane is positioned below the ocean surface. Next, let's create a path for animating the boat. Design the curve path as desired. Select the plane and add a follow path constraint, then aligning it with the curve. Use the offset factor to animate the boat along the path. Once the animation setup is complete, select your boat and bake action to finalize the animation. Use the graph editor to refine and smooth out the animation curves. Now, your scene is ready. If you want to enhance it with boat waves on the ocean, follow these additional steps. Select the ocean plane and add dynamic paint. Set it up similar to our previous tutorial for rain simulation. If unfamiliar, check the link in the description. After configuring the dynamic paint settings, save your file and proceed to bake the wave simulation. That's it. Now you know how to make any boat float on an ocean in Blender 4.4. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Blender tips and tricks. Got questions or ideas for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.